Hello, scientists. Welcome to your body system slide presentation. Just like the slideshow we did when we were learning about all the different science subjects, this is going to be a running slideshow. You are all going to add your own slide to it, and then you're going to get a chance to interact with other student slides. So here we are on the instruction page. For this assignment, what you're going to do is pick a body system that you're interested in learning more about, and then you can research it on Discovery Education. So when you're researching it, make sure you learn at least 3 parts of the system and their job. And when you're ready, so when you've done all that, find a blank slide and you're going to add the following information to it. So first, you're going to name the body system that you chose. You're going to add your first and last name. You're going to add the main job of your system. You're going to add 3 of your system parts and their job. You're going to add a description of what would happen if one of those parts no longer worked. And then you're going to add an image of your system. You can click right here to learn how to add an image. And then when you're done with your slide, I want you to comment on 2 other slides stating something that you learned. Let's just go through what this is going to look like. So here is an example that I made, and this is in the slideshow for you to look at. This is the endocrine system, and here is my name. And I wrote the job of my system is to secrete hormones that regulate many different body functions. Then I listed 3 parts of the system and their job. So the job of the hypothalamus is to regulate body temperature, hunger, and sleep. The job of the pituitary gland is to control all the other glands. And the part of the thyroid is to produce hormones associated with calorie burning. So then I picked one of these parts. I picked the hypothalamus. And I said, hey, if the hypothalamus no longer worked, then, and I would say your body would not be able to control its temperature. It could get too hot or cold, or you might not feel hungry and you could forget to eat. Okay, so I looked at what the job of the hypothalamus is and thought, hey, what would happen if that no longer worked? And then lastly, I added an image of the hypothalamus system to the slide. And again, I have a link for that here if you need to learn how to add an image. So as you scroll through the slideshow, you're going to go ahead and you're going to find a blank slide. So here's a blank slide. So where it says insert, anything you could just copy right over my text. So instead of insert name of body system, you would write whatever body system you want to learn about. You are going to put your first and last name here. Tell me the job of your body system here. And then here are your 3 parts. You would type the first part, and then you would tell me its job here. And type the second part, tell me its job here. Type me the third part, tell me its job here. And again, if that, whatever part you're working, type, or whatever part you chose, put here, and then tell me what would happen if it no longer worked. All right, you can learn about the systems in Discovery Education in the sections that you did earlier this week. And I can't wait to see your slides. Oh yeah, and don't forget, when you're ready to comment, you're going to just go to someone's slide. And remember to add a comment, you just say insert and go down to comment. And then remember to write, you're going to go to 2 different slides and write something you learned from interacting with the slide. All right, kiddos, let me know if you have any questions. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Very important to make sure you turn in the slides when you're done. And you can do that by going into your Google Classroom, or while you're here, sorry, copy a link to the slide at the top. You're going to copy that link, and then you're just going to add it in a private comment section in Google Classroom. And then make sure you hit the mark or work done button so that I know it's ready for me to look at. All right, I can't wait to see your slides.